Hi everyone, I am back with an amazing news for the sellers. Today, I will guide the shop owners that how they to create personalized promo codes for the customers at BuyMyStuff. We empower the sellers by giving them full control over promo codes. Unlike other platforms that impose restrictions, we believe that sellers should have the freedom to create promo codes according to their marketing strategies and business goals. We put the power in the hands of shop owners. Creating a promo code for your shop on BMS is a straightforward process. First, click on Promo Codes in the Seller dashboard. Then, click on Create New Promo. Now, you have to add the information regarding the promo code you are going to create. Add the percentage discount that you want to give to the customers. Whether you want to give 10%, 20% or 30% discount, it all depends on the shop owners. Next, comes the validity period of the promo code. Enter both the start date and the end date of promo code. Enter the usage limit. This is also important as you need to define that how many customers can avail this coupon code in the validity period. Lastly, click on Save Promo. Now, as your shop's promo code is ready, try implementing this strategy. Share the promo code on your social media platforms to reach a wider audience and build long-term customer satisfaction. If you want to some changes in the promo code, click on the code. You can edit the promo code here. I hope this video will help you out in creating promo codes. Create coupon codes and boost your sales with BuyMyStuff.